Good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's a beautiful day here in Japan again. Another awesome day. We got about 2 days left here. Today we're heading down to Yokohama. Go do some things around there. Talk about the Nissan headquarters. I want to go to Yodobashi camera store. Get another battery for this camera. I've been needing one for a while. Yeah, I don't know. Just maybe go drift karting again. I mean, it's not far from Yokohama. Grab some food, do some things, live stream tonight around the Yokohama area. So pretty much Yokohama is going to be Chinatown. Let's go to Chinatown. The tap of the card every time when you go in and out of the train station. Favorite part. Just looked it up, 108 days until we are on our way to Japan with the whole family. So very excited about that. I'm walking through the mall right now, heading over to the Nissan headquarters. A right-hand drive R35. I mean, if I could, I would. But this is how the R35 functions right here. We got the radiator, the intercoolers, there's the turbo down there, the engine setup, the transmission housing with the shaft going all the way back here to everything else, and then it runs back up front. Like, this is amazing to look at. And then the exhaust, another engine example. It's the VR30. That is so cool. We got a Fairlady Z right here. Oh yeah, it is. There's a lot of room in here. Ooh, nice sound system too. But I'm more of like a manual driver. The Fairlady Z over here is manual box, so I mean, I'm liking it more too. I mean, it's a hatchback, it's rear wheel drive, it's a manual. Sounds like a drift car to me. You think if we can move here to Japan, that Shelly be down for? It's like 20,000. It's like half the size of the minivan we own right now. But you know, look at all that room for activities back here. Little van, yeah. I mean, that's more of a standard size van. Tiny one. Of course, I'm joking. She said she wouldn't move here, so she hasn't even been here yet, though. So you know, there's hope. I'm gonna head over to Yodobashi camera store now because this battery is already showing like 20% left battery life, and we've been using it for about 20-25 minutes. And we'll be back. We'll bring the family. Maybe we'll get Shelly in one of the vans. She'll be like, "Oh, I really like this. I want a K truck." You know what I mean? Like, it'd be so cool. Drive over to Disney World in a little K truck, or a cappuccino. I got to ride in one of those last time I was living here, and my buddy had one. He said, "Let's go to Daikoku," and I was like, "Sure, that sounds awesome, whatever that is." And it's a car park. You go across the bridge, come down into a car park area, bunch of cars there. There's DeLoreans, Lamborghinis, all kinds of stuff like that. There's things I want to do here. You can't access it publicly. You have to go buy car to the car park area. So future stuff, get my license for here. I have thought of many things. Japan trips will become, well, hopefully in the future, regular. Camera floor. This is just a small section of the camera, like lenses and bodies. And in fact, Yodobashi is where I bought my first gimbal for streaming. Look at this. I always wondered how much this thing weighed. Woo! That's a workout right there. Is it 300,000 yen? Oh, yeah, 300. So it's about $3,000. This is all the way to the back wall back there is all camera tripod stands, lenses, different companies, accessories, gimbals, everything you can really think about camera style. I mean, here we got the ZV. Hey, it's the ZV-1 Mark II. This is the second version of the ZV-1 I'm currently using. See, you can see me. I see you. I'm using the ZV1 version 1. This is the version 2. I'm just doing the weight on this. This thing is so much lighter than the one I'm... That's wild. And this is the ZV-E10. I also have one of these at home. They're plastic body. They're super light, but you can do detachable lenses, right? So you can use different lenses instead of like the fixed pocket camera. But the pocket camera is so easy to carry around everywhere you go. Complete camera like breakdown manuals. ZV-E10, RX100, A7. I love this store. I'm going over the ZV-1 number 2 here, and it's got good zoom in. Just going over. They also moved the screw mount over to the side here, and it's also USB-C instead of USB micro now. I think it's time for an upgrade. This is the store I saw my first 8K TV. They have some massive TVs here. That's cool looking. Can you imagine doing that in your house with 4 65-inch TVs? Now they sell the wood puzzles in the Yodobashi camera store? What? There's so many to choose from. I used to come to the store and buy a bunch of stuff and send it home to Tanner when I was working out here. It's my favorite store to come to. 7 floors of different things. And at the time, Tanner was super into dinosaurs. These things are super heavy. So he would display all his dinosaurs and have like a whole dinosaur army marching around. There you go. I love that store. There's so much to like see and do in there, and that store is right over here. This is the Yokohama train station here. Big giant Sheraton building there. Easy way to remember where you are. And then Nissan headquarters is that way. But we have a lot of time left. We might have to go drift go karting. I mean, what else are we supposed to do today? Now, real quick on this camera, there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, obviously it's working, but you know, it's 5 years old. The ports are getting a little loose. The charging port has been giving me a little bit of issues on this trip. I think it's time to upgrade / renew a camera. I just got to clear it with Shelly first. I love this place so much that if I could build one of these in Florida, I would definitely do it. We're back at Big Bang Circuit Drift Go-Karts. I've already done a couple laps while I was waiting for the camera to charge, so I'm having a good time. Racing with some very professional people out here. So they're just going right by me like, they're waiting. It's so much fun. If you're ever in Japan, try it out. You think like, it looks... Yeah, they're here right now. They're killing it out there. I'm just like trying to stay out of their way the whole time. You guys here to race? Let's go! Woo! Oh, look out! There we go, we're getting sideways. Yeah! Come on, car! Steering on this one's stiff. Yeah, we're doing it! Woo! Yeah, buddy! Go, 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 go! Yeah! Got it! Right. Uh-oh. Oh, I missed the wall. Let's go again. Hard brakes. Make a left. Yeah, come on. No. Oh, I just missed the wall. Woo! Squeeze it through. Yeah. Hey, look, it's a train. All right, I'm gonna put the camera away because they want to race with me now. They're getting excited. Let's go. That was so much fun. I can't even. Words are hard. We're going side to side. I don't even know. I can't even stop smiling. I needed both hands on the steering wheel. There's no time for camera action there. That was great. Oh man. That was a good time. So, trying to head back to Yokohama Station, but Big Dane is smiles for miles right here. Back in Yokohama, and look at the ordering. This is how you order your meal. I'm at Sushi Row right now. You can open the menu. Oh, here we go. I can open the menu. We'll just order 3 of those right away. And then a green melon soda. This is impressive. This is amazing. What else? Yeah, that shrimp. Either way, I'm gonna eat, and then we're gonna head over to Chinatown in a little bit. I am so full. I had like 12 tuna rolls, a bunch of shrimp, a couple salmon. I don't know. I had a bunch of, like 2 glasses of melon soda. Melon soda's so good there. It's currently 4:30, so still got about 4.5 hours until we're supposed to go live tonight. We made it to Chinatown, and it's cold over here. The wind is just blowing, but look at that. Yeah. All right, let's go check out what's going on over here. There's so many shops and different types of foods to try here, and of course the lighting is just looking amazing right now. There's advertising for a capsule hotel, I guess, right down the street from here. Time to go into research mode and go find it. I found it right here, which is crazy because it's right next to this one. I took in a lot of pictures here. This is a new capsule hotel, but it's the same price as my hotel I'm staying in right now at an APA hotel. But I just looked up the company, and there are capsule hotels through Dormy Inns all over Tokyo, Osaka. So they're all right. New hotel stays in the future. That looks awesome. I have stayed in a capsule hotel before out in Matsumoto. I went to Matsumoto Castle and I stayed in a capsule hotel, and it was awesome. A lot bigger than I expected them to be. It wasn't like you just crawled in and like snugged in. Like there was plenty of room to move around and everything. Let's see. Well, everything's kind of closing in most of the shops. There is so much food and more food and dumplings and strawberries and grapes and all kinds of stuff to eat here. Every alleyway has restaurants on both sides. So yeah, there's this big, cool new capsule hotel. Shelly has sparked interest in staying in a capsule hotel, so it's cool to find a chain. But I mean, if she wants to, like when we come out here. But check this out. These out. There's so much detail in them, and the colors just. Oh, I love the purple. The purple around. Cool. In 2017, I went into this building and I went up the stairs right there, and they had this place where you would sit down and put your feet in fish, and these tiny little fish would like nibble at your toes and everything, like eat all the dead skin. I laughed so hard I gave myself a headache because they like swim up between your toes and everything. It was super weird. And like nipping at you and everything. It's not there anymore, but we do have one in Orlando. Out in at the mall in Orlando. I don't know if it's still there. I haven't been there in a while, but that was a interesting experience for sure. After playing at the arcade for about an hour, because I was playing coin pusher games. Don't worry, I only spent like 900 yen. I'm gonna start the stream now. I'm gonna start it early from here, and we're gonna walk to Yokohama Station. It says it's gonna take about an hour, so about another 90-minute stream tonight. But it is windy and cold because the water is right over there. So let's do it. Wrapped up the live stream, and then I started making my way back to the train station, and I autopiloted onto the KQ line, and I look up and I'm like, all I saw was local trains, and I'm like, that's weird. So I looked up Google Maps. There was no more like express to here. on the KQ line at 11:26 when I checked. So I was like, oh, this is a problem. So I had to ask to go out and go around to the JR line so I could get on a JR train to get at least in this area so I could get back here. Yeah, like I said, 11 o'clock at night, I'm usually in the room. I decided to go a little longer to help Shelly out with her pushing it there. So, didn't have time to obviously grab food, so we got Lawson's chicken, we got 7-Eleven chicken, we got a corn dog, we got some vanilla pound cakes for dessert. We got a big giant. What's up with this laptop? All right, go. We got this big giant Sprite in a can and some Monster. I'm all set for the evening. Yeah. It was a day. It was drifting, and then there was Nissan headquarters, and there's the live stream, and there's Chinatown, and yeah, we went to Sushi Row. That was super cool. It was a good day. I hope you guys enjoyed what we did. It was just kind of like a chill day around Yokohama. So if you guys enjoyed it, hit that like button. Let us know you enjoyed whatever this was. Man, what a day. Like, I was starting to worry I wasn't going to get back in time and I was going to have to take a taxi. But of course, subscribe to the channel. Love the support. It's free to do. I want to thank all of you for watching all these videos, as I've been here in Japan for I think tomorrow is a week. Yeah, Wednesday of last week I flew here, so it's been an awesome adventure. Tomorrow we got a whole day at Disneyland, and then we fly back to California to go to Disneyland, which is in California. So got more on the way. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.